In this video, I'll help you build your first AI chatbot without any code and without any technical experience. And we're gonna do that under 3 minutes. Just imagine your first AI chatbot that you're gonna build with me right now under 3 minutes. Insane, right? So before you get started, there are just 4 things that you need. First, a Telegram account, not a business one, just a normal Telegram account. Second, a free anytime account that you can make under 30 seconds by going to this website. Third, a free Google AI Studio account. And now that you have all of that, let's get started. Alright, so I hope you have made your N10 account and it kind of looks like this. So you have to click on create workflow so that you can create a new one, and we're going to name it Telegram bot. Alright, super simple. And let's actually start the timer to see how fast we can actually build your first AI chatbot. I've also opened my Telegram over here and let the timer begin. Alright, first we're going to add a Telegram node. I'm just going to add it right now and not configure it, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright. And then we're gonna add an AI agent, right? And then we're gonna add another Telegram node, all right? And then you're gonna go over here, click on send a text message, all right? It's all empty, don't worry about it. All right, so the first step, you need to configure all of this. We're gonna click on AI agent, and then we're gonna click on chat model. All right, I'm gonna add Gemini, boom. And then you need to connect your account, which is gonna look like when you add new credential, it's gonna come something like this. And you're gonna go on your AI studio, which you have already logged in because I told you to do so. And then you're gonna click on get API key, create API key, create a new key, and just paste it over here. And green is always good. Let's actually set the credentials for Telegram. And then we're gonna click over here, add new credentials. All right, it's gonna ask you for an access token. And now we're gonna go on chats and search for bot father. It's gonna look something like this. All right, click on new bot. We're gonna name it trial. All right, trial, this is number bot, anything you want. Okay, now that we have the access token, we're gonna copy this, and then we are gonna paste this over here. All right, boom. And now that you have your Telegram connected, let's actually test it. So click over here, add this link, click on start. Let's see if we got the thing. Yep, we just got, you can see text start, and then it's going to go through the AI agent. And over here, you have to select this, define below, and add this over here. Okay, so it's gonna get all the text that is gonna come, and it's gonna put it directly to the AI agent. That's what its purpose is. And then let's actually try it if this is working. Yep, this is surely working. And let's actually set the credentials for this as well, the same one that you had over there. And from here you have to select chat ID, and from AI agent you have to select text output and add it over here. And let's actually click on this. This is working. Yep, just one more thing, you have to come over here, add fields, append an attribution, click on this and turn it off so that you don't get this. Let's actually try it once again, and boom, the watermark is gone. So now that we have the agent, let's actually publish it and see if it's working. Anything, it's work, it'll work. Got it. Hey, how are you? And boom. And this is how fast you can make your first AI agent. Now obviously we can add a lot more tools, a lot more things to make it very interesting. Like you can add your calendar, you can add your Google Sheet, you can add your lead list, and a lot of things can be added in between these two nodes, which is what you send and what you get. You can do infinite number of things, and it just depends on your imagination of what you can actually think about and you can actually build. On this channel I've shared multiple workflows with all the prompts, with all the JSON file, with everything, and you can just check the channel out. You're gonna find very interesting stuff. I hope you found this valuable, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.